ChatGPT and a very simple strategy when it comes to affiliate marketing to actually go ahead and make some money. And how do I know it works? Well, because I have proof of concept with other friends that are affiliates that are doing this. And I'm sorry ahead of time for you guys that are about to text me saying, oh, why'd you share this? I'm a big proponent in you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. For those of you that are interested, January 4th or 5th, I'm actually building something up. It's all free training, and I'm going to be releasing something. It's actually a free book and a workshop invite, to be completely transparent, but I'm going to be providing training, exclusive training at that, only to the people that go to nextbigwave2023.com. So with all that being said, let's just dive into it. So for this particular instance, I'm gonna be utilizing my phone so we can go ahead and show you in real time how stuff like this works. So I just searched weight loss because, again, if we go in just a few moments and look at weight loss affiliate offers, you'll see the payouts. But let's just go here. I just searched weight loss. The first account that I see is weight loss diet tips. Now I'm actually going to click on the reels over here, and you could see the views like 41K, 23K, etc. You get the idea here. So there's something very interesting that nobody really talks about. Let's click on their link. Their link right here, how to lose weight in 21 days, go.smoothieDiet.com. Now you might look at it and say, well, this doesn't really look like an affiliate offer. Well, they're probably pushing enough volume where they can contact the vendor of the offer. And you see how it says go.smoothieDiet? That go subdomain might be purposely just for this affiliate because of how much traffic they push. And again, vendors will gladly do that if you're a super affiliate. So they're promoting an affiliate offer. Let's see, food for weight loss. If they're smart, they'll capture emails. So let's see, this might be a ClickBank offer. And let me scroll down. It's definitely an affiliate offer here. And actually, there it is, ClickBank at the very top. I was correct. This particular page might probably make 6+ figures on the low end. But where does ChatGPT and AI come into play? Well, let's just take a look right over here. You see these descriptions, right? Nobody wants to go ahead and write these descriptions, and your video goes viral given if the description has keywords in it and hashtags. ChatGPT, and that's, by the way, the longest part in order to generate that, because I'm going to walk you through how this is all done. Now that you understand how those pages work and how the affiliate offers are in place, ClickBank, again, if you go to health and fitness, you'll see, this is insane, average order $141 as an affiliate, by the way. Create an account, you click promote, you get your link, and then you can put it in the bio, use bit.ly. There's a bunch of different ways, and that's kind of strategies that we'll talk about. If you're inside of Next Big Wave 2023, I'll just give all the sauce there because it's really intricate on how to go ahead and have that link there for the highest conversions. So again, this is just a 10,000 foot overview. The page, reels, posts, affiliate offer. But we're going to take it up a notch so it goes viral really fast, making money relatively quick, and doing it in a way where you can create as many accounts as you want. So now what I go ahead and do is I'll go and create a new Instagram account, but I'll also use this site called smspool.net. And what I'll do is I'll go to order, country, United States, service. I'll actually type in Instagram. All right, Instagram. And here we go. There we have it. Pricing option, highest, accurate, maximum price, yada, yada. Just click on quick purchase. It's going to populate a number for you over here. And what I'm going to do is just pick a username real quick. It's going to be Healthy Eats Today. I'm going to click next. And then what I'm going to do is just click complete sign up. I want to go to settings, click on account, personal information. And then I want to edit the phone number and the email. So the phone number is going to be the one that I just got over here. And it's actually going to give me the code on the site, and I'm going to input it right over here. Phone number confirmed. And the email, in this case, because this is a throwaway email, I'm just going to go ahead and remove the email. And you probably should have an email that you add in there just in case. But I'm going to go back. And now we have our confirmed new Instagram account. You're going to need to edit the profile. And if you want to go and see what I'm doing with the profile after this particular video, nextbigwave2023.com. I'm going to post updates and show more on how I'm doing this way more in depth rather than the 10,000 foot overview. So again, the profile will need to have a facelift, a description, a profile picture, etc. So now that this is set up, we want to actually go to the search and just search on weight loss, for example. Again, it doesn't need to just be weight loss. It can be pretty much any single niche. So let's go weight loss diet tips. We'll click follow. All right. So how do we get content? So the first thing you want to consider is the content that you should be posting is Reels, because Reels get a lot of attention and they go really viral really fast and all of that. Now there's a lot of things here that you can do that are really scummy, and I'm not going to teach you the scummy ways. Rather, I'm going to teach you the more ethical ways. So you want to find Reels that have a lot of traction already. So this one, 130,000, go to the profile. Again, no link in bio, really missing out here. Probably not promoting anything right now, but let's just take a look at this particular Reel. All right, so it looks like it's getting a lot of love. It's getting a lot of engagement. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to download this Reel and I'm going to make some edits to it so it doesn't look the same inside of Instagram's eyes. But I'm gonna add a little extra flair, a little extra sauce to it as well. So first, I'd actually click on the link to grab the link, and I run a simple search, Instagram Reel Downloader. Because I'm using a Mac and an iPhone, I can just copy, paste, relatively easy. Click Download Reel. Now I have the Reel download MP4. So what I'm gonna do here is just simply airdrop it to my iPhone, and you'll see it opens up in my iPhone. And here you are. So what do we do from here? Well, there's an app called CapCut. So I'm a big proponent of CapCut. What you would do is click on New Project and click on the video that you just airdropped or sent over to your phone. I'll then proceed to click Add. And now the video is here. But let's make some minor edits and adjustments, and let's add some flair to it, if you will. Now, what some people tend to do, which is the shady way, is they'll go ahead and take a clip of before and after. They'll use the first 3 seconds, the before, and then they'll put in the middle, like, oh, this is a smoothie that I used, something along these lines right over here, as you can see. All right, and then there's fruit, and this fruit can also be downloaded as a reel, could be found on TikTok, YouTube, etc. So that'll give you, an idea. And once you're done, you just simply click export. It's exporting to your photos, and now we're going to use ChatGPT. And we're also going to go ahead and upload this. Now, here we are. What we're gonna do is just click on the Reels icon, simply click Get Started, and then click on the photos, upload the one you just made. You're gonna then proceed, click Next real quick, click on Music, and let's find something that's trending. Let's see Lovely. And what we're gonna do here, edit cover. Again, we'll be able to slide this on grid view. Now, the caption. OpenAI's ChatGPT is gonna come in handy to mass do this. Check it out. When we're here, the input we're going to use is, can you write a motivational weight loss Instagram description with 20 of the most relevant hashtags? All right, yeah, who's with, oh wow, it even gives a call to action, who's with me? So let's just give a solid control copy, and we're gonna go and paste. So there we go, self-care. All right, cool. Let's see, all right, and at the very top, and this is very important, what I want you to do is actually give credit to the original account owner. Well, unfortunately, I can't mention her, so I'm just going to tag her anyway. So there we go. What I'm going to now do is advanced settings, make sure that it uploads in the highest quality possible, and so on and so forth, and click on share. All right. So it's sharing to my Reels. For those of you that are on Next Big Wave, you already know, because I only invited a few people, that we also have a Telegram channel. I'm going to be updating what's happening because I'm just going to run this, see what happens, see where it goes. Now, the whole point here is you want to do 3 to 5 Reels every single day to get this going. And again, you're actually able to use the same reel over and over again if you go back into CapCut and just edit slightly, maybe speed up the video, add different music, again, change the video slightly and it will be unique. This particular TikTok account, and yes, it works on TikTok too, but it's a little harder, 10.7 million views. Again, so much engagement over here. This is an offer as well. And I see a lot of accounts like this, but they use the same video over and over and over again. Sometimes just a little iteration to it. Maybe the middle video is different. Maybe it's sped up 3 seconds, whatever it is, because that makes it a unique video. So again, like I said, this is one of the best strategies to use because ChatGPT will do all of the hard work for you when it comes to description with keywords. You just have to be very specific on what exactly you want ChatGPT to go ahead and give to you. So with all that being said, this is a fantastic strategy to use and it will work. I promise you it'll work. So you can have as many accounts as you want. doing exactly what I showed you, and scale it. See which accounts work the best. This is a great way to be able to make free income, free passive income without being shady about it because you're giving credit, and while also building capital so you can, do whatever you want. So with all that being said, next big wave 2023, the results will be there. I'll show you as I build it out as well. I won't be doing it for too long. I just want to show you guys that it actually works. And not only that, but I also want to keep you updated on how I update the bio, what I do when it comes to the profile picture, all of that. That'll be inside of the email I send out tomorrow. It'll be in the Telegram group. This video is long enough. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, everybody. See ya.